This is Chapter 8, Section 8.1, and we are going to now create that income statement that we talked about last chapter. Last chapter we did a worksheet. Within that worksheet we had income statement columns. We're now going to use those columns and those totals to create our income statement. So we first have our heading here, again, company name, income statement, what we are creating, and for the month ended August 31st, 2017. Again, make sure everything that needs to be capitalized is capitalized. Again, our income statement is looking at our revenue and looking at our expenses. So our revenue here is simply just sales, and we have a sales of 4,411. Now we have multiple expenses. So we have our advertising, we have our insurance, we have our miscellaneous, we have rent, we have supplies, and we have our utilities. Alright, now we also have those values. So we can bring those over. We're going to put those into the left column because we are going to do a little bit of math. Although it's already on our worksheet, we still need to show that kind of math on our income statement. So again, whenever we're doing any kind of math, we always need to make sure that we create a line. We're now going to take that total value. Again, we can take it from here. It's 3,312, and we're going to put it over there. Okay, so now we have our total sales. We have our total expenses. What happens? We're going to create another line because we're going to do some math. We've already done it over here, so we know we have 1099. And we know this is net income. So we put that there. Okay. Once we've done this, we've shown it, we can then go back and we can double line, showing that we've now proved everything is good, everything balances. Again, it's all on our worksheet. We're just transferring it onto the income statement itself. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to do percent of sales. Right. So this is looking at percentages. Well, we know our sales is 100%, and we're going to make sure that we always use one decimal place. Now, if we go 4,411 divided by 3,312, we're going to get 75.1%. Now, you don't need to put the percent in there because we know what it is, but we're always going to go to one decimal place, which then means that our net income is 24.9%. Right, we're just going to do that so that we know that we've increased it. Again, having a net income means our expenses are going to be less than 100%, meaning that these two values are going to be positive. We've almost gained 25%. Okay? Now, in your textbook, on page 185, it actually goes through what looks like if you have a net loss. So again, here we have a sales. Our revenue is 3,610, 100%. We add up our expenses. You can see it's 4,466, which means we actually have a net loss of 856. We're going to put that value in brackets. We're not going to have a negative number on our income statement. So we're going to show that it's a negative number. It's a net loss by brackets. So again, revenue is 100%, but you can see our expenses, if we go our 4,466 divided by that, we actually get 123.7%, which means our net income is negative. And again, we're not going to show a negative number. We're going to put it in brackets. So this is how you would represent a net loss on an income statement. And this is how you would show a net income on a net income statement. Okay, so again, this is page 184, 185 in your textbook. This has been income statement.